Hey guys, Smuggler's here, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to build Wonder Man from the Marvel Comics. And this build is really fun, really easy, and you can actually find all these pieces in real life. And let's just get into it. So here we have my clean slate that I always start with, and we are just going to go to minifigures, lower parts, and the second usual leg piece, and then we're going to click on this red and blue one. We're going to turn it black, and then we go to upper parts. Then we're going to scroll down to superheroes, DC Comics, past them, and then we're going to click on Nightwing, and I'm just going to zoom in and go to multiple, because this always works. And we're going to turn into flesh color. Then we go up to heads, superheroes, Marvel, past them again, click this, center, turn the head around, then we go to hair, and then click this hair piece in black, and there you have it, Wonder Man. And like I said, this was really easy, so yeah, this is a good one. And I have started building the Asgard mock instead of Westview, because I thought, hey, why don't I just do this? All the pieces are right here. I have the figs, and I decided to buy my Asgardian stuff from eBay. Some of the stuff I will be doing a custom Commodore for the Grandmaster ship, and yeah, I'll be doing that. So don't forget to check it out, because it'd be really cool. And I will see you guys later.